in gold the next coming week. I've been talking about this several patterns which have been appearing in gold since the previous weeks, and let me break it down to the from the daily time frame so you could get a clear picture of what I'm talking about. So we've seen gold has been in this big rally to the upside, then we created a new high, then we created a new high low, and what happened? We see price not only tested this area of support, which is the monthly support area once, but only second time, third time, right? So we see a very good maintaining of daily structure here, and we're seeing EMAs are currently trading sideways, so in a slight consolidation here. So that's key. The other thing, when you break this down to the H4 time frame, this is the pattern which has been talking about. So we see gold has been in this big rally to the upside, right? Then we see, okay, big momentum to the upside, right? Then we had exhaustion here of buyers. Then what happened? Created an area of support. Price moved to the upside. Then we see buyer's exhaustion. Price had a meltdown. Tested this area of support. What happened? There was a failure. So we had this accumulation level here. This is where the institution aggressively adding their sell position. So what happened? We had a fucking meltdown. We broke this area of point of control, and price was attracted towards this liquidity level here. So we had a fucking meltdown to the downside. And what happened? Whenever it's all about supply and demand. So huge demand here because of this liquidity pool. Then what happened? Price was attracted to another supply area, right? So around here, this is another point of control. So price was attracted there. What happened after that? Fucking meltdown. Why? This is good. The same pattern which is here is just the same here. Look very closely. This is just the same appearance. So we had this big move to the upside. We've seen this candlestick. This is just the same as here. Tested, created a new support. Grab is trying to grab liquidity, fails. Institution adding sell positions, fucking meltdown. So what happened? Price went to this area of support here, then it was attracted to this point of control. What happened again? Fucking meltdown. Then when you look here, not only did this structure appear once, two, three times, the same pattern again tried. We not only do we see here support, aggressive selling from institution to the downside, right? Price was attracted last week now. Once, twice, three, fucking failed to penetrate through this area, right? And when you look at this trend line, we see prices creating these lows. So it means price was heavily squeezed. So failed. And what happened? Fucking meltdown, fucking break of structure. And not only that, we see on Friday, we see this slight pullback to the 61.8 Fibonacci. And also when you break this area, it's just the same pattern which you're seeing here and here and here. So that's key. So not only are we testing the 61.8 Fibonacci, we're also testing the double top you see here and the neckline here, and also this liquidity level, which I'm going to break down in the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, you see the same pattern which I've been talking about. You see, okay, big move to the upside, creating a new support, institution adding sell position because of this accumulation phase, fucking meltdown. So price was attracted, right, exactly to that liquidity pool, fucking meltdown. You see this good reversal candlestick, and not only is price respecting 61.8, it's also respecting the neckline of this double top and this liquidity pool. So fuck. We're gonna see, we need tomorrow to see a slight pullback. Even if we come like a full retracement here, it's still super valid because we see not only 1, 2, 3 times the price fell. We see break of structure in the H4 and the H1. So this we would see price pullback here, fucking meltdown to the downside. So my first target will be 1,940. Second target will be way below here for so that we could still maintain the daily structure. That's key. So fucking good setup for next week. Peace, guys.